Today I would like to look at the Bitcoin chart with you, look at the closest levels we have and what's the position where we are in right now. So first of all, where I would start, as in the last videos, we will look at this range we are in. I have the lines here because then it's easier, I don't need to have it opened all the time. It looks like this. Can close it. So what we can see how it was playing out, it was really great actually. At this point, you can see that we lost it. We just went for the liquidity down here, then we reclaimed the value area. We get to the middle, to the point of control where we were hovering around before we went down for liquidity below these lows, and we were at the value area low. Plus, if I remember correctly, no, we didn't. Yeah, we almost got to the golden pocket, but yeah, as I said, the value area low hold it very well. Then we got to the point of control, and then we ultimately got through to the value area high. And currently we took liquidity above these highs. I was talking about these highs long time ago. So yeah, it played out. Plus we had one not touched point of control, which one was from this day. Okay, like this. Yeah, point of control from this day was not touched. It played out perfectly. We just touched it, and ultimately we moved down. And when we had this level, there was the daily not touch point of control, and we got up here to the value area high, but we didn't get up there. So there was really good probability that we will take these highs, take the liquidity above, stop out the early shorts, get to the not touched point of control. And we got this rejection so far. What I'm looking at now. So as you can see today, we went up here, we took some liquidity above these highs. We didn't really get to the value area high or the golden pocket, and we moved down again. Right now the daily open is holding us down. Plus if we'll look at the VWAP, we are currently above, so we are between the daily open and the VWAP. So for me at the moment, I'm actually leaning a little bit more that we could see more downside, because yeah, well, we are still in the value area. We already got to the value area high, so now at least we could get to the point of control. If we lose it, then to value area low. But yeah, we'll see. You know, one option, as you can see, could be that we would reclaim the daily open, take the liquidity above these highs, get to the value area high again, to the golden pocket, and then head down. Then I would be looking at, well, don't forget this low first, then this low to take in the liquidity. But if I should be honest, I would like to see liquidity taken from these lows. And yeah, so the liquidity grab here, or you could even get to the point of control. So this is when we look at that from the volume perspective. Now look at some fibs. So first fib I would pull is this one. Okay, so here we can see that we have the point of control. The golden book is right below. The first support would be here, the slow staking. The other one would be the point of control with the golden pocket. Okay, and then we can also try take this whole pull, and then we would, if we would be looking at the golden pocket, we would get all the way down to the value area low again. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, so okay, maybe look at this one, magic fibs, not really that helpful. Yeah, well, yeah, sure, we could stop at the 0.5, but yeah, so this is it. We also could look at some SR levels, so we can see that this area was resistance here, support here so far, so that's why I'm looking at these lows, right? Could just take the liquidity and hold it as support. And yeah, and for sure we can look to the upside, because it doesn't mean that we cannot break the value area high, right? We could reclaim the daily open, and we could actually just get here and hold it, and move up again. All right, and at that point, yeah, I would be, first of all, I would be looking at liquidity above this high here, plus if we take this pull, we can see that we are at the golden pocket, right? So it was really good confluence with the value area high. But then we can also take another pull from this high. See this one? We can take it from there, and it would take us to this level, to liquidity above this one, liquidity above that, to the golden pocket. So it would be another level I would have. I think that's all, guys. That's everything for the quick update. I showed you a few levels to the upside and to the downside, what I'm looking at next. And yeah, that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, comment the videos, like the videos, and of course, as always, don't forget to look at the disclaimer and make sure that you understand that all of I just said is just for educational purposes and no financial advice. That's it. Bye, guys.